Hi, my name is Mary. I work here at Guaranty. I'm here to show you a Sundance. This is a great trailer. It's a 241 bunkhouse, just 28 feet long, so it's a perfect size for a family, so come on inside. I love showing this cute trailer to families. This one has everything you need. The light colors help keep this space feeling bigger. There's an oversized U-shaped dinette. The kitchen has a microwave, an oven, and a stovetop. There are extra large bunks, each with their own window and reading lights. I know that the kids really enjoy having their individual space with windows and lights. The TV reverses so that you can watch it from the master bedroom or the living room. And Sundance does a great job with storage in the bathroom, giving you plenty of places to put toiletries, to place your towels, hooks to hang your towels and robes while you shower. So this unit has dual axle, which keeps you more stable. There's a solid step entry as you go into the unit. There's a great pass-through storage in the front of the unit. There's also LED lights in the front that would help you to be able to see in the early morning or late at night when you're hooking up and leaving. There is a great outside cooking space. You've got an awning that's going to keep you covered. You've got outside speakers. It's a great unit overall. Once again, my name is Mary. My direct number is 406-850-4590. I'd love to show you this unit. The inside I showed you is great. The outside has speakers. There's a great outside kitchen, so you can enjoy over your awning, eating outside and enjoying camping. So give me a call. I'd love to work with you.